Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this super easy ghost girl makeup look for Halloween with the help of BoxyCharm. I will have them linked down below. BoxyCharm is only $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products every month, which is awesome. So in this month's box there was a DerMovia Lace Appeal mask. There was this cleansing balm from Farmacy, this beautiful palette from Pure, the Midnight Masquerade palette, which is gorgeous. There was also a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D Beauty and a superhero mascara from It Cosmetics. So, starting off with this ghost look, we are going to be paling out our entire face because we want to be super pale as a ghost, obviously. So I just applied a cream white paint all over my face, set it with a powder, and then here I'm going in with just a silver highlight. And taking the Midnight Masquerade palette, this is one of the cheat colors, which is called Hidden Secret. I'm going to begin to contour my face. I wanted to go for this shade because I wanted kind of a rosy appearance for our contour. So I just took that under the cheekbones and my forehead and jawline area. And we want our whole face to be paled out, so that includes the eyebrows. I'm just running some white cream paint through my brows. Taking that same Hidden Secret shade, we are going to be creating a halo eye, which basically means the darker shadows are going to be going at the inner and outer corner, and the light shade to help the eye pop is going to go in the center. Taking this Reveal shade, which is just a super beautiful kind of plummy color, I'm going to be concentrating that and not smoking it out quite as much as we did the first color. And then of course blending between each step as we go to make sure the shadows are nice and blended, obviously. Then I'm popping that same highlight shade we used on the face just on the center of the lid to help bring light to the middle of the lid for this halo eye, and I'm also taking that underneath the eye on the center as well. Switching to lips here for just a second, I'm going to be applying this shade Hawkwind from Kat Von D Beauty, which was in my box this month. Applying that to the center part of the lip and then kind of feathering it out to get that nice kind of smoky lip going on. Switching back to the eyes, sorry I'm jumping around here just a little bit, but basically I'm just taking a black liquid liner and lining my upper lash line, and nothing too crazy here. I just wanted to keep the liner pretty simple. Next, I am taking the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I actually really like this mascara, especially for the bottom lashes, because I feel like it really gave me a lot of length because my bottom lashes are kind of stubby. Then just pop on any pair of dramatic lashes. I chose this pair from Bold Face Makeup, which I am really loving lately. Next, I am just adding a couple white highlights to the inner and outer part of the eye where we have the darker shadow, just because I feel like it gives it a nice pop, and I don't know, I just like how it looks, honestly. Now for the creepy part of the look, you guys know I love drips, I love blood, especially this time of year, and I feel like this just gives such a creepy vibe to this ghost look. So I just took some red water activated body paint and I just created some drips coming down from the eyes, and I also applied that to the innermost part of the lip, and I'm adding a drip coming down from the lip as well. I just love the creepy appearance that this gives. I also added a couple coming down from the neck as well, just to pull the whole look together. I threw on this pink wig, this little flower crown, and some contacts as well, and this is the completed look. But now for my favorite part, the removal. I wanted to show you guys how well the Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm from Farmacy works. I have used this in the past and I really like it. So basically you just apply this to dry skin and you start massaging it into your face, and then the makeup literally starts melting off, and it works so well, especially for Halloween looks that tend to be a little bit tougher to remove because you're using a little bit more crazy products than you use in day-to-day makeup. And I'm just massaging that onto my neck and chest area as well. Usually I will take a hot washcloth to remove this, but just for convenience, since I was filming, I just took a makeup wipe and I am just getting rid of all the makeup. And it's awesome because you don't have to pull or tug at your skin. It comes off really well. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I will have BoxyCharm linked down below, and I will see you in my next video.